So, this is a diagram of a typical flower. Sepal or calyx, petal or corolla, androecium and gynoecium. These four words, calyx or sepal, corolla or petal, androecium and gynoecium, they are arranged at the swollen end of the stalk called thalamus. This is thalamus. Okay. So the calyx and corolla, sepal and petal respectively, they refer as perianth. They are brightly colored to attract pollinating agents. Androecium, the male reproductive structure, they consist of a whorl of stamen and it is the important part of a flower. Whereas gynoecium, they consist of one or many carpel or pistil. They represent the female reproductive structure. So, here in this structure, we can see the structure of stamen and the structure of carpel or pistil separately. This is the structure of stamen. It consists of a long, slender filament and an anther. This filament is a long, slender stalk whose flexible end is attached either to the thalamus or the petal of the flower. Remember thalamus? What is thalamus? The swollen end of the stalk is called thalamus. So the filament either will attach to this thalamus or to the petal of the flower. This anther is bilobed structure and each lobe is bipecus, means each lobe is separated by a longitudinal groove through the anther. Is it clear? If we observe the structure of pistil, we will find stigma at the tip, style at the middle and ovary at the base. While stigma is a landing platform of pollen grains, the style, the elongated slender structure connected the stigma to the ovary. The basal bulged part of ovary contains one or more cavities called locules. Morphological studies of ovaries reveal that it contains one or more cavities called locule or ovarian cavities are surrounded by an ovary wall. Within the locule, we can find ovules or megasporangia that are attached to the ovary wall in a region called placenta. Children, do you remember the placentation that we studied in class +1? So let me remind you. So this is a structure of plants which found different types of placentation: marginal placentation, axil placentation, parietal placentation, freecentral placentation and basal placentation. Okay. So in future, the ovary become the fruit and ovule become the seed. Children, there may be variation in the structure of gynoecium among the flowers. Okay. According to the variation, we can divide the flowers into two as monocarpous flowers and multicarpous flowers. Multicarpous flowers again divided into epocarpous and syncarpous. Clear? What do you mean by monocarpous flowers? Monocarpous flowers are those flowers with single carpel. So this is a diagram of monocarpous flower. So with single carpel, and multicarpous flowers means with many carpels. Clear? Monocarpous and multicarpous. This is the diagram of monocarpous flower and I will show you the diagram of multicarpous flowers. These two represent multicarpous flowers. Okay? Multicarpous flowers with several pistils in a single flower. Okay, so we can divide multicarpous flowers into two as epocarpous and syncarpous. The first diagram shows syncarpous flowers where the pistils are fused and the second one is epocarpous flowers where pistils are free. Okay, so here we can read the descriptions. Diagram B shows multicarpellary syncarpous pistil of papaver and diagram C represent multicarpellary epocarpous gynoecium of Acacia. Clear? Both these diagrams represent the gynoecium of a multicarpellary flowers, but the first one is syncarpous where the pistils are fused, whereas the See, the third picture is again a picture of multicarpellary flower with the pistils are free, and these free pistils represent by the term apocarpous flower. Clear?